In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dropdowns and checkboxes to an Unbounce form. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your page, add the right fields, name them clearly, and style them so they match your landing page design. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Unbounce. Look for the official Unbounce website in the results and head there. Once you're on the site, log in with your account so you can access your pages and the builder. After logging in, go to your list of pages. Under All Pages, choose the page you want to work on. Pick the page where your form lives, or the one where you plan to add a form. When the page opens in the Unbounce builder, locate your form on the canvas and select it so the form options become available. With the form selected, click the plus Add Field button. From the list of field types, choose either Dropdown or Checkbox, depending on what you need. Use a dropdown when you want visitors to select just one option from a list, like a country or a budget range. Use checkboxes when you want to allow multiple selections, or for items like a consent checkbox. Keep your use case in mind so the field type matches the decision you want users to make. Once the field is added, give it a clear name. The label should be easy to understand, like industry, company size, or I agree to receive updates. For a dropdown, enter each option as a choice your visitor can select. Keep the list concise and mutually exclusive. For checkboxes, write short, specific labels so users immediately understand what they're choosing. Consistent capitalization and wording help the form feel professional and trustworthy. Next, refine the look and feel. Select the form field, then use the Properties panel on the right to adjust its appearance. Update the font to match your page, set colors that meet your brand guidelines, and fine-tune geometry such as width, height, and corner radius. Align labels and inputs so they're easy to scan, and add enough spacing for comfortable clicking and tapping, especially on mobile. If your page uses a specific button style or input border, mirror those settings here for a cohesive look. As you style, prioritize readability and contrast so the text is easy to see and the controls are obvious. That's it. You've opened your page, added dropdowns or checkboxes, named them clearly, and styled them with the Properties panel for a polished, consistent form experience in Unbounce.